Remember, Toyota just flipped the script on family mobility with the all-new 2025 Innova Zenix, and its packing features no one saw coming. Sharper and more futuristic than ever before. The 2025 Innova Zenix looks more like a premium SUV than a traditional MPV. From its aggressive new fascia to that floating roofline, Toyota's clearly aiming to impress both families and enthusiasts. Step inside and you'll feel it immediately. Luxury. We're talking a massive infotainment display, digital cockpit, wireless charging, a panoramic roof, and captain chairs in the second row. The 2025 Zenix isn't just a car. It's your personal lounge on wheels. And here's the kicker. Under the hood, it's a self-charging hybrid. That means better fuel economy, lower emissions, and no plug-in hassle. The ride is buttery smooth with responsive handling that makes even long drives feel effortless. The Toyota Zenix is the third generation of the legendary Innova MPV, now built on a new platform and powered by an also new gasoline engine. Built on the front-wheel drive-based TNGAC platform, this vehicle is constructed with a unibody design, moving away from the old IMV platform of the second-generation Innova. It is equipped with two engine choices: the 2.0-liter M20AFKS petrol engine and the 2.0-liter M20AFXS petrol hybrid engine. The Zenix no longer has a diesel option or a manual transmission. Driving smarter, you're driving safer. Perfect for families on the go.